Open Photoshop, and we're going to go up to the top left corner. I'm working on a Mac. There where you're going to see the word image, pull down to image size. Here you're going to see the width and height. Change that to 1800 on the long side and make sure it's 72 resolution. Hit OK. Then we're going to go back down to Export under File, and we're going to go to Save for Web. Here you're going to get this dialog box. Don't worry about the color change. Make sure it's a JPEG. This image I know is 33. And how do I know that? Because if I go to the lower left corner, you will see the KB size of the image. This is about 257, and that's what we want, 250 to 270 KB. If I wasn't sure, let's say I wanted to make that 44, I'm punching in. See, it's too high. So this image I know is 33. So now we go down just a little bit, make sure Convert to sRGB is checked, and Internet Standard is set. Then you can see there it's 1800. Go down to the bottom and just hit Save.